Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do a forearm to hand plank, so let's just get started, okay? So what you want to do is get on your forearms in a plank position. If you don't know how to do that, go watch the plank video, okay? From here, you're going to start with one arm and to the side and up to the hand. And down to the forearm and down to the forearm and up to the hand. We're going to be squeezing our core nice and tight, nice and strong down, back up, reverse, pressing nice and strong the whole way through, reverse, okay, so just like a regular plank, core is on, feet are pressed into the ground, glutes are on. All we're doing is going from forearm, pressing up, and back down, nice and controlled. Stay with this line right here should remain the same the whole way through. Okay, so give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe, and have a great day.